Have you ever been disappointed after opening a packet of chips and finding it half empty? The sealed packets in which food items such as chips are sold are usually filled with nitrogen. Fun fact, a pack of chips has about 43% of nitrogen. How does the use of nitrogen help? Let's take a look. Oxygen is highly reactive and has a tendency to combine with other molecules which cause chemical changes that may soil the chips. When food is left exposed to the air, it turns rancid and gets oxidized due to oxygen reacting with it. On the other hand, nitrogen is quite stable and non-reactive. It is an inert gas. It does not react with food, but instead keeps it fresh by inhibiting the growth of any bacteria or microorganisms. It also forms a cushion and prevents the food items from breaking in transit. Nitrogen prevents the growth of microorganisms. Microorganisms need oxygen for their growth and survival. Nitrogen replaces all the oxygen in the packets, thus preventing their growth. In this way, the food items are prevented from being spoiled by microorganisms. To get more answers to the latest HOTS questions, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website.